On the Medical Watch this afternoon, blood pressure is on the rise.
Medical reporter Dina Bair has more on the numbers and the possible reasons. Dina.
Lourdes and Ben, uncontrolled blood pressure is sending more people to the hospital, more men than women, but doctors say it's a problem for both sexes. The number of people coming to the emergency room for a hypertensive crisis more than doubled in the study period. The findings, published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, come at a time when physicians say patients have the tools to manage their blood pressure, but they fear people are not taking their medications or can't afford them. And that's leading to a spike in people hospitalized with dangerous high pressures. Lowering salt intake, exercising more, and smoking less can improve blood pressure levels. Don't exercise, though, without proper sleep. People who are sleep deprived and engage in strenuous activity put stress on their heart. The journal Molecular Metabolism reports on the link between lack of sleep and increases in a heart injury biomarker after exercise. When researchers had study participants undergo an intense bout of exercise, half who had a normal night's sleep and the other half who had 3 nights of curtailed sleep, the sleep-deprived people showed signs of heart trauma associated with heart disease. Lack of sleep has long been linked to high blood pressure and heart attack. The man who first outlined behaviors and treatments to help the heart has died. Dr. Jeremiah Stamler is known as the father of preventive cardiology. He worked at Northwestern University Feinberg School of Medicine, establishing the preventive medicine department. He helped establish the link between diet and heart health and outlined heart health risk factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, and smoking. He even went on to discover novel pathways to treat hypertension. Dr. Jeremiah Stamler was 102 years old. His life is an example of his work. His longevity proving if you follow his plan, you'll live longer. He's, helped a lot of people along the way.
102 years old. Okay, Dina Bair, thank you.